Good morning everyone, today we're going to be showing you a quick video about how we enable auto lock on the doors for a Mercedes W204. This should work on a lot of the other Mercedes of this year or similar sort of year that have this instrument cluster. So it's very, very easy to do, but you can't do it through the sort of main center console. You need to have the instrument cluster in front of you to be able to operate this. So you can operate the instrument cluster through going up and down, or you can go side to side. So for example, I've got the MPG one up here. I can go up and down based on what I want to see. So we're going to apply the same sort of noise when we press the side button. So we're going to press the side button and we're going to find the option which is settings, so the main settings for the car. You have to be quick with picking which option you like, because otherwise it does disappear, as you've noticed. So if I go all the way along to settings, there, and then the main the option where it is under vehicle. So you're going to go down, vehicle, and you notice, oh, it's not there. You have to scroll through the options using this. Don't press OK until you get the option you want. So you can go down, you can go up as well, maybe not. You can go down, you can see all the little different options. So you can enable acoustic lock and auto door lock as well. So I went to, just to recap again, I went to the vehicle section. So I went vehicle, and then I'm going down, and then I can deactivate that. But I want mine on, so I'm going to leave that on. You just press OK to change those options. Very, very nice and simple. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video.